One of the busiest travel days of the year is Thanksgiving weekend. It has arrived already. Now, you certainly don't want to break down when traveling to friends or family. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. It would be a good time to have your vehicle serviced prior to traveling, and I also recommend you getting what we call a trip check. This would include checking your belts and hoses for any possible fraying or cracking. Have your fluids checked, such as your coolant, to make sure it's in good condition, can handle the cold temperatures, and also that it's full. Check your washer fluid to make sure it's also full and ready to be used if needed. Check your tires for tire tread wear and tire pressure. Make sure they're appropriate. You don't want to get a flat, leaving you stranded on the side of the road, and then therefore waiting for that tow truck, or slipping in the cold weather due to poor traction. So be proactive and possibly avoid any potential driving problems. Don't be late for that Thanksgiving dinner. Happy Thanksgiving! Thank you for watching, and share our video so that others know what they need to do before they head out for Thanksgiving. Like us on Facebook. And remember, the next time you're in, say Kneble with the K and get 10% off of your service. Thanks again for watching. Post any pictures you have of your Thanksgiving dinner, the one that you're so going to enjoy.